New memories. New beginnings. A new way to clean. With the RYOBI 18V 1 Plus HP SWIFTClean carpet washer, every cleanup is a fresh start. Experience the powerful performance of a corded carpet cleaner with the freedom of cordless portability. Motion sense technology makes cleaning effortless. Simply push forward to wash and pull back to dry. SWIFTClean technology delivers a thorough clean of both carpets and rugs, lifting the past and brightening your future, one deep clean at a time. Tackle tough spills and stains in spot mode, and say goodbye to the hassle of hiring professionals or renting bulky equipment, and experience faster drying times, so you can get back to what matters most. As part of the RYOBI 1 Plus system, any 18V 1 Plus battery works with any 18V 1 Plus product. The RYOBI 18V 1 Plus HP SWIFTClean carpet washer, part of the 1 Plus system, only at the Home Depot.